Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I will teach you chapter 2 decimals and fractions of class 7 and we will do the exercise 2.1 of NCERT and we will do question number 6 in this video. So let's start this video. So our question number 6 is that a Salil wants to put a picture in a frame and the picture is 7.3 upon 5 centimeter wide. They have given us the width of any picture that is 7.3 upon 5, and what we have to find out, we have to fit in the frame the picture cannot be more than, they are saying that the picture cannot be more than this number, that is 7.3 upon centimeter wide, which means that the width of the frame is 7.3 upon 10, because they are saying that this picture cannot be more than this centimeter wide, which means it is the width of the frame. And what we have to find out, we have to find out how much should the picture be trimmed. Means we have to find out how much centimeter we have to cut the picture in order to fit into a frame. So I have made the figure for you so that you will not find any trouble in this question. That is, I have made the frame. Suppose this is the frame and the width of the frame is, that is 7.3 upon 10, and I have solved for you, that is 7 multiplied by 10 is 70 and 70 plus 3 is 73. So width of the frame is 73 upon 10. This is the width of the frame. And suppose this is our picture, that is in a red color, and the picture of the width is, that is 7.3 upon 5, and when we solve this mixed fraction we get 38 upon 5, that is 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 and 35 plus 3 is 38. So width of the picture is 38 upon 5 and the width of the frame is 73 upon 10. What we have to find out, we have to find out that how much this picture we have to cut so that this red part fit into this green part, so that this picture fit into the frame. How we have to cut, how much width we have to cut. This is our width of picture, that is this arrow. This is the width of frame and this arrow is the width of the picture. What we have to find out, if we cut this frame width from this area, if we cut this, if we subtract 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10, we will get the answer that that part should be trimmed to get into the frame. So how we will do this? That the picture having a width is 38 upon 5, that we have already know, and the frame having the width is 73 upon 10. Suppose if we cut this part, if we cut this part from this bigger part, from this picture width, we will find out this width. Suppose if we cut this width, this is our extra width, this is the extra width of the picture, and if we cut this width, if we cut this width, then this picture should be put into a frame very easily. So how we will cut this area? We have to cut this frame width from this bigger width, that is the picture of the width. So picture should be trimmed by, we have to subtract 73 upon 10 from this number, that is 38 upon 5. How we will solve this? We have to take the LCM of 5 and 10. When we will take the LCM of 10 and 5, we will get the answer 10. And this 10 will be put in the denominator position, and we have to divide this 10 by 5, we will get the answer 2, and that 2 should be multiplied by 38. I have already multiplied 38 by 2 and I will get the answer 76. And in the same way, when I divide this 10 by this 10, I will get the answer 1, and that 1 should be multiplied by value, that is 73. Now I will subtract this number, that is 76 minus 73 is 3, and my answer is 3 upon 10. It means I have to cut this width in order to fit the picture into the frame. So this video is completed, and the remaining questions of this exercise we will do in the next video. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.